Welcome back to another Coins to Collect video. As you can see, I have £500 in £2 coins. This is the first time I've done a £500 bag in a little while actually. I did film one a couple of weeks ago, but the finds are so terrible that I just didn't bother showing you guys. I think I found some St. Paul's and some Brunels, and that's it. Nothing else worth talking about. So I just sort of binned the whole video. I didn't even bother putting it out there for you guys. So okay, so hopefully we do a lot better with this bag today. But what I thought I'd do, just to make sure we do a better video, is to combine a £2 coin hunt with one of my other videos, which would be a coins in my pocket type video, which is literally where I'll just talk about the coins that I found over the last few weeks in my change. So I've got a nice little trade to show you as well. I've got some £2 coins that I found, like I say, on my travels. But first of all, let me show you a £2 coin that I bought from Westminster, or Change Checker, to add to my album. I got myself one of these, which is the 2018 Captain Cook £2 coin. And like I say, I ordered that from Westminster, or Change Checker. And I did actually order the 2019 Captain Cook, which is the Voyager Discovery coin, at the same time, but unfortunately they're out of stock of the other one, so I'm now waiting for that to turn up. But hey, any day now, hopefully. But this is just a stunning coin, and in just stunning quality as well. Just a bunk coin, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, that's a very nice addition to my album. Let's get that back in. Okay, we'll put that to one side for a minute. And we'll talk about these. I found one Brunel, and I'm sure there's loads in this bag of £2 coins. I'll tell you, let's put that there. So Brunel, that one there. We found the other Brunel, a Charles Darwin, Trinity House, the Lighthouse, Steam Locomotive, Shakespeare's Histories. Tragedies is the Skull, yes. I always get the two mixed up. That's Shakespeare's Histories, found that in my change. And my favourite £2 coin is the Magna Carta. Very nice. Like I say, that is my favourite £2 coin. I don't know why, couldn't tell you, but for some reason that is my favourite £2 coin. So we'll put that on the next side there. Right now, I did a little trade a couple of weeks back now with Darren from Caledonian Coins. He was missing Shakespeare's Tragedies. No, Shakespeare's Tragedies. And I had never seen, or I've never found, a Shakespeare's Comedies. So he sent me that very coin, Shakespeare's Comedies, which I haven't got in my album. He seems to find a lot of these up north, and none of the Shakespeare's Tragedies up his way. So we've just sort of swapped coins. So that is a great addition to my Change Checker album. Let's crack on with this hunt. Now, if I remember rightly, I should have 25 bags here. So let's give this a count. In fact, I'm going to move these coins down a bit, because I do like doing it where I've got all the coin bags along the top there. 1, 2, 3, 24 and 25. So I haven't been conned by the bank, which is good. It's always nice to find out you got what you paid for. Right, so let's get on with this, eh? Enough waffling. So I'll do the first bag in real time, and the second bag I'll speed up. Oh, straight away, the very first coin, another Charles Darwin. So that's the first of this hunt, but obviously not the first of this video. So there's two already, and it's the very first coin I flipped over. Okay. More technologies. A very nice Guy Fawkes or gunpowder plot. And what does it say around the edge? That's definitely a P. That's an R. That's remember, but that one definitely looks like a P on that edge. So it should say remember, remember the 5th of November, but sometimes there's a weak strike and you get a P. So some people think it's Pemember, and they try and put it on eBay and sell it for megabucks. They say it's a very rare misstrike by the Royal Mint, and I guess it is, but it's not really. I think most of these have Pemember rather than remember. So Pemember, remember, there's no such thing as Pemember. So anyway, go ahead folks, we'll put that, we'll go this side, move that down, we'll go there. Cool. Technology, technology and technology. So obviously technology is the definitive coin. What was the definitive coin? It's now going to be, I think from 2019, or is it into 2020, that it's going to be the Britannia as the definitive £2 coin. But obviously technology was for many years. Done us all proud, which is nice. And like I say, I'll speed this one up, and if I find anything interesting, of course I will slow it down and I'll show you the coin. Oh, there we have St Paul's, and that's the VE Day celebration, sorry. Very nice, very common unfortunately, but there we go. Can't do much about that. You've got to have a St Paul's on a coin hunt, and you've also got to have a Brunel portrait or two. You can't do a £2 coin hunt without finding one of them. So that's our first of the hunt. Second of the video. Technology, technology, technology to finish. Another bag from the right this time. Oh, there we go, the Act of Union. That's between Scotland and England. It's a very nice design. Quite like that. I didn't really understand it when I first saw the coin, but it's yeah, it's quite nice, but fortunately not when if anything over face value, just very common. Plonk that one down there. Two to finish off that bag. So first of all we have the World War I centenary, which is the army, or as Bungle Collects likes to say, the Tron helmets, the film Tron. That's a nice one. I'm not sure if that's over face value or not actually. We'll have to double check that one. Put that down there, and then we have the Rugby World Cup £2 coin, and again quite common, not worth anything more than face value. Bag from the left. No, that's a nicer one. Another steam locomotive. That's nicer than the one I found in my change. Quite nice. First of the hunt, second of this video. I'm doing a lot better with the variety of this bag than the last one I did, so that's a win. Oh, another St Paul's VE Day celebrations. Florence Nightingale. That's quite a nice one, Florence Nightingale. Very nice, great design on that. Maybe it's a little bit too busy for some people, but I quite like that one. That's quite a nice one. I'll put it on the second row. Oh dear. Well, it's the Golden Guinea, but it's a very dull grubby golden guinea, but very nice to find. That's over face value, especially if I can clean it up a little bit. Well, the Act of the Abolition of Slavery, and that one's the textured finish. You can find some that have the smooth finish, and there's the little initials by the number 7, and they're for the collector's packs. So that's an NIFC coin, so you shouldn't really find them in circulation, but you can find them, because I did once find one in circulation. We'll put that, there we go, there. Oh, we know another active union on the end. Oh, another active union. That's crazy. There you go. Wireless transmissions, or Comedies wireless transmissions, whatever you like. There you go. Me dropping the coins. Oh, straight away another Brunel's Arches or Paddington Station. There. Oh, that's a nice one. There you go. Lord Kitchener. So that's World War I centenary coin as well, I think, isn't it? Oh well, not sure. We'll put that at the top. Straight away, a second Lord Kitchener. Fantastic. I like his style. Two come all along at once. Oh, another act of abolition, act of the abolition of slavery. God, dear, mouthful. And there we go, another one straight away. Okay, this is the last bag. I wouldn't mind finding a couple more Shakespeares, or some of the Olympic ones. The Rio handover would be nice, or the Beijing. Never mind. We had another Tron helmets, or the Army centenary, First World War centenary, the Army. Down the bottom, technology. Last one is technology. So never mind. We did quite well there. We found quite a few. We found a nice spread of coins, which is cool. But really, the best ones I've probably found in my change over the last few weeks. So it is what it is. I don't think there's anything there that I need for my books. Let me just double check. Well, apart from the Shakespeare's Comedies, of course. Right, so I had a little double check. Unfortunately, there's nothing there new for my album, apart from the Shakespeare's Comedies that Darren at Caledonian Coins sent me, so that can go in my album. But nothing for the second book, but the Rugby World Cup that I have in this book is a bit grubby. I don't know what that green splodge is at the top of the coin, so I'm gonna at least swap that over for that one. Right, so that's the Rugby World Cup coin swapped over, so at least that's something good. And then all I've got to do really is put my Shakespeare's Comedies into my Change Checker album. Next page. Oh right, top there. Okay, done. So thanks again, Darren. Thanks for that. That was amazing of you. I do appreciate it. Not an amazing hunt, but we found a nice variety. Sometimes that's the best you can ask for. So thanks for watching. Please go and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave some great comments down below. I do enjoy reading all them. But until the next hunt, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.